Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariaa Rodriguezz. If you're new here, welcome. Today is Cinco de Mayo. We really can't do much, so this is the look I came up with. It's just a simple green eye look. If you guys want to learn how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so let's get started with this look. I already did one eye off camera and my eyebrows were also done off camera. So I'm just going to prime my eyelid by adding some concealer. And with a beauty sponge, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. Make sure there's no creases. So now that is well blended, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the first color I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna pick up this green color right here using the Morphe M433 brush. And I've been using this palette so much lately. I love it. There's all the colors you could ever ask for in there. So with this brush, I'm gonna pack the color first. Pack it all over my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the shade right next to it, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna be using another M433 brush. And I'm gonna be placing that lime green shade right on top of that dark green we just placed. So I'm first placing it and then blending it. I'm gonna be picking up this yellow right here, using another M433 brush. Gonna place that color on top of the lime green one, just so we could have a really smooth transition, you know, going from lightest to darkest. Now I'm gonna go back with all the brushes I used before just to blend out any harsh lines there may be in the look. Now with this look, I'm not going to cut the crease or anything like that. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and from that palette I'm gonna be picking up this beautiful color right there. And I'm gonna be picking up this flat crown brush. It is the C224 Oval Concealer. Okay, I just feel like flat brushes help pick up colors so much better. And this color alone is so pigmented that you don't have to wet it or anything. Like, it's so nice. And I'm just gonna be placing that color all over my lid. The thing is that it's so glittery, has so much glitter, that it's getting on the green color, and I don't like that. See how beautiful that color is? Now picking up a little bit more of that dark green, I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna do my wing, and I'm gonna be doing my wing using the NYX Professional Matte Liquid Liner. You guys seen me do my wings so many times, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera, and I'll be right back. Oh my god, that glitter really got everywhere. Okay, now that my makeup is done, I'm gonna go ahead and start off on my face, and I'll be right back to finish the rest of this look. Well guys, I'm already finished with my face makeup. I'm gonna be finishing off the rest of this eye look. For the lash line, I'm gonna be picking up that dark green color once again, and I'm gonna be using this Morphe M213 brush, which is a small little detail brush. I'm gonna be picking up that dark green color and start putting it as close as I can to my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna be picking up that light lime green color using this BMX 420 detail brush. Just picking it up, and we're gonna be blending out that lower lash line a little bit more. For the inner corner highlight from that same Too Faced palette, I'm gonna be picking up this gold color using a small little inner corner highlighter brush. Gonna place it right in my inner corner only. Ooh, I love this chocolate gold palette just for that gold, because that gold is intense. It's a beautiful color. Okay. Gonna remove this powder off my face real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is with all my makeup done already. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my eyelashes. The lashes I'm gonna be using today are gonna be the style Wifey by Tarte, and I love the style. They're so pretty and dramatic. They're pretty long, but they're pretty nice as well. For the lash glue, I'm gonna be using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I'm waiting for my lashes to dry down a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and start curling my eyelashes. And these lashes are like the most dramatic lashes I have ever worn. But they're so pretty. Look how pretty and dramatic they are. So this is how the lashes are looking like. I'm gonna add some black eyeliner real quick just to give it a little more intensity. And I'm bringing up that black eyeliner to the green color I put on my lash line, just so there's no blank spots. So just dragging it a little bit down. I'm just gonna add some mascara real quick just to blend my natural lashes with the other ones. And guys, you already know my go-to makeup, so I always use the same products. That's why I don't do my face makeup on camera, just because I feel like it gets repetitive. So I only mention like whenever I'm using like new products. Well guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys ended up liking this screen look. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I love reading you guys' comments. Well, thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Hi guys, welcome back. I already have one Otra noche en Miami. Otra noche en Miami. Hi, Alex. What you doing?